Assalamualaikum and a very good day to you all. Today, in this research potential video series, I'm going to talk about research potential on manufacturing system analysis. Okay, so what is actually manufacturing system analysis? Okay, it is a broad area. Okay, manufacturing system analysis is a broad area. So, uh, researchers have done manufacturing system analysis especially in factories. Okay, I have students in that working in luxury. They have done analysis on their system, and the challenge is one factory to another. They have different system and different kind of analysis and different kind of environment, and the biggest challenge is what to how to choose the better analysis for your factory. Meaning that if you are working with factory full of robots, you have different theory. If you are working with factory full of people, you will work with another theory. So on and so many environment and many analysis, it is quite troublesome for you all to do analysis. Okay, this video will somehow help you in doing in choosing the right tools for the right for your environment. Let's say you are working with this factory A, the working environment with factory A, factory B, factory C, and so on is different. Okay, you this analysis A is better for factory A, is better for factory B, but it's not suitable for factory C, factory D, and so on. Okay, how to choose the better method for your environment? This is among the challenges in doing manufacturing system analysis. Okay, I hope this video can help you. It's a broad study area. Okay, within the research area, there are many tools to use. Okay, mentioned in this video are most common tools used by researchers. Potential researchers might use this video as study guide and study tools to do their research. Okay. Okay, so this is how I do this analysis. First, I search in Scopus for these keywords: manufacturing and system analysis and bracket, and then for titles I get 44 result and analyze the result. And then when doing from the result I find out terms that use, and I found out what is the term I doing the second search on manufacturing system analysis in abstract. If you are familiar with Scopus, SciDirect and everything, this is a different. When you search on title, it all the title itself, it will say it will have the word system analysis in that. If you search in abstract, it will, the system will search in title and also in the abstract. Okay, so I found out 4,000 result, and then analyze the result within the skill I have. Okay, I have the skill, I have the knowledge to do analysis. Okay, this is acquired from years of experience doing analysis, research, and everything. This video I help you a little bit. Okay, maybe this video can help you. Maybe this video can give some little knowledge of it. Okay. Okay, this is the top 10 method in manufacturing system analysis. For those who are in this kind of field, you may know what most people have done in time analysis, integrated modeling method, quality control system analysis, failure analysis, metric method, material supply, system analysis, design methodology, object modeling technique, OMT, multi-agent approach, and failure mode and effect analysis. You may familiar with this kind of thing. Okay, you may familiar. Again, like I said, factory A may suitable time-based analysis, but not suitable integrated modeling method. It just depend on your environment. Some of your uh, factory only one product. Maybe your factory have many product. Okay, have many product. So what you can do? Maybe your factory is custom made product. Okay, so this is the challenges. So you may use this kind of theory for this kind of experiment. Okay, and then this is the bottom 10, meaning that not many people are doing it. Maybe you have not heard it before, like component to component analysis, pro model software, shearwater system analysis tool, visualize system method, Six Sigma benchmark, FMS control software, Fuzzy Top 6, okay, unified modeling language, clustering method, clustering supply method, and everything. This is research that top bottom, meaning that not many are doing it. Maybe it is newly found term, okay. Maybe it's a newly found term, newly found software. Expert is not many are expert in it. It is subject for your research, meaning that eventually we found out. Let's say, for example, Fuzzy Top 6 is suitable for your company. Maybe, or Six Sigma benchmark is suitable for your company, or Pro Model software is suitable for your company. You should go further analyze in this kind of field. Okay, and this is all other random methods, meaning that it's not that bottom up, it's not that bottom down, but it is randomly method that people have used. Take note on the name of the method, like object oriented design methodologies, object modeling technique, multi-agent approach, FMMA, cluster analysis technique, multi-agent methodology, queuing network, random supply method, unified modeling language, clustering supply method. This is the name. Okay, if you want to know further, you can search, because this video help you to find the names. Okay, if you are interested, let's say in unified modeling language, let's say you are interested in unified modeling language, just Google it. If you can find in Google, okay. If you cannot find in Google, search in Scopus, search in ScienceDirect. Maybe it will have, some researchers have done. The answer is in the abstract itself. Okay, maybe the answer is in the abstract, but not necessarily the answer is in the journal content itself. But if you analyze the abstract of that journal, of many journals, you may find little bit knowledge on this. Okay, so that's all for the video. Potential students can consult their potential supervisors. There are many researchers interested in this kind of field, especially in lean manufacturing. Okay, also in the system analysis. Some are using software, some are using mathematical equation. But in any engineering school, especially mechanical and manufacturing engineering school, there are lecturers, there are researchers, they are interested in this kind of research. Just you must know them and you consult them. Maybe this video can help you in terms of the names of the method and everything. Like I said, your factory, your environment is different with other friends, other environment at the factory. Your method may use method A, but it's not suitable method A to use in other factory. Okay, this is the challenges, because the spectrum is too broad. Okay, the challenge for lecturers also is to understand most of the method, and to teach those methods to their student, because if they are 10 students from 10 industries, in theory there will be 10 theory to suit their to suit all those environment. So it is challenge to lecturers itself. Okay, but maybe this video will help you. Maybe it cannot help you, but just enjoy doing research. Okay, just enjoy. doing your research. So that's what I'm going to tell. So thank you very much. We see you in the next video. Okay.